Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you everyone? I hope you all guys are doing well. And how's everything and what's going on? I'm sorry because I couldn't make video from long days. I guess I didn't upload any video from 1 week. But now I'm back again. I had some work to do, so that's why I couldn't record a lot of movies. So now I'm back again, so inshallah we're gonna start again and let's see what can we do. And today I'm going outside, especially right now. I'm going to pay my internet bill. After that, let's see what I have to do. And also I have to go to the Tuesday Bazaar, so I hope you guys will enjoy the video. So keep watching and keep enjoying the video. So I'm going to the Charsha now, and this road is straight away to the Charsha, and Charsha is not far from my house. And we have the windy weather. You can see the weather today. It's windy, and right now suddenly it's became cold. Even we have sun. So you can see the weather here. The weather is different here. I'm crossing the road. So this is main Charsha, and you can see this place, especially this white wood, is the Thursday Bazaar, and I'm going from there. I would use this way, and this one is the big. Beside it is the donor shop. So they are selling the abaya, which price is 100 Turkish lira, which is cheap. And also they have in this side. This one is the internet shop, and I'll go there to recharge my internet. And I just recharged my internet and I'm moving forward. So yesterday it was raining here, but today we have sun, and you can see the weather. So I'm going to the Tuesday Bazaar from straight away. So almost we are near to the bazaar. The bazaar is not too much far. And you can see the weather here. And this one is the Tuesday Bazaar. Today I just came from this side. I would go straight away. Then I will back. I decided to buy sunflower seeds, so I will go first to buy sunflower seeds. Later on I will see what I have to do. I always buy the sunflower seeds from the shop, which is almost near. Here is the shop. This is the person. So she's waiting for me sunflower seeds. So here is my sunflower seed. Here is one shop, and they have some Islamic stuff. Let's see. So this is the plate where they write some verse of the Quran. And also this one, they also write some Quranic verse here. And this one is the hand fan, as you know. And these are the hand rings, which is not good. It is just artificial. And here is the Quran and some other religious books for recitation. And these are the another books and Quran also. And here are the jalaba. And here is the Quran, you can see, which is with translation in Turkish language. And this is called henna, which we use on our hairs, and after that the hair colors are changed. You can see the sun is high here. And here the weather is more different than previous life. So this is the bazaar. I will not enter from the middle. I will go to this straight away and then I will back. So you can see we have sun and also we have the cold weather. If we don't wear the jacket, so there's a problem for us. So still we have cold weather. 2 kilo. So I'm gonna buy this 2 kilo. And this is the person who is giving me. So here is my food. So I'm going now. So we are in TC Bazaar now. I just done my some work. Now let's see what can I buy or not. So there is dry fruit. So I'm watching what should I have to buy. Yeah, next year. Ablacığım buyur. Evet bakın. 1000 lira. Today we don't have that much walking customers. I don't know why.
Abla 8 tane.
So you can see we have the windy weather. When I was coming at the time, it was not that much windy, but now it's a lot.
Avuçları müşteriyelet. Abi çıtır evet. Taze afyon, taze tere, taze soğan.
So I buy these 3 and 3 were pizza, and this is my packet. So this one is 2 lira and I'm gonna buy this. Today is the first. Finally, the light rain is started, and some drops started to fall down now. Maybe you can see the drops or not, I'm not sure. But the drops fall down. And you can see here now it's windy so much. The air is so strong. It's not light rain, but it's light snow. You can see the snowdrops. I'm gonna buy 2 kilo tomato, and here is my tomato. And I wanna buy this half kilo, and here is in the package. So here is my package. Teşekkür ederim. So you can see the weather. We had sun few hours before, but suddenly it disappeared again. And now it's cold, and also it is windy weather.
Oğlum. Ha, köylü. Tamam, peki. Oğlum bak benim elimi tut. İçerim yanında git. Değil mi? Öyle mi ayakta beni? Söyle gideceğim.
Everyone packed the things because they know that it will rain again. Here everything price is 2.5 Turkish lira. And here are the purse. Almost people pack their stuff because they know it will be rain. So that's why they are protecting the clothes and some other things because they don't want it to be wet. There were nothing, so I'm going back again. I hope you can recognize how much weather is windy now. So I want to buy this plate. So here is my plate. The sun just appeared for a while and after that it disappeared again.
Allah burası. Yiyin bunları, yiyin.
You can see the shirts are dancing on the rock. The sun is again up here. You can see the sun again up here. And he's selling masks. So here is the pizza shop.
İstersen bundan verem, sıkıntı yok.
You can see the weather. So we are going now from there. So I'm gonna buy this coriander, and here's my coriander. So I'm going again from here. You can see the windy weather.
Hadi bir gel şuna bu ya.
I just came to see the fish, but unfortunately it's expensive.
Ama cahil
It seems the weather is windy, but now the walking customers are a lot. I don't know how suddenly they appear here.
ye Sakarya. Onu geçtim. Akşamları beraber. Gündüz telefonda konuşuyor. Bir de 5 dakika. Öyle değil.
So I'm gonna buy 1 kilo lemon.
Kabak.
Here's my lemon. Tamam. So we have sun again. So I'm here now. So here is more cheap. 2 piece is 1 lira.
Buyurun. Yeşillikçiler, yeşillikçiler.
Taze buyurun.
Sometimes the sun is appearing and sometimes the sun is disappearing. So today the weather is really something different. So you can see that we have sun again, and here you can see the weather is different, and suddenly the sun disappear again. Now I'm looking for the chili. Let's see if I can find or not. The chili is so much expensive. And you can see we have sun once again. This tree started to get the leaves. You can see. And here you can see the weather. Weather is more different here. So you can hear a sound, which is always notification before the prayer, that we say that when you come to the mosque you have to bring socks, and sajjada means when Muslims pray they put a kind of carpet, we call it sajjada in Arabic. So they also say that it's also requirement and also mosque and also head. So I'm gonna buy apple from here. So here is my apple. Here is my 2 kilo potato. Almost all the shopping is done. The remaining thing is chili. So let's see that if I can find or not. And you can also see the weather. It's like someone did the editing on camera. But unfortunately it's true. See the weather. I wish if I have the high definition camera so I could make it more perfectly. So almost the bazaar is going to be done. And here you can see the weather is different. And here we have sun. They both are sleepy. So hardly I find this. This one is 15 lira kilo, but I buy 5 lira. So I'm gonna buy this carrot.
Ben vereyim abi.
So here is my carrot, which is 3 lira kilo.
Aralı.
This time I buy this.
Aralı.
So I'm gonna buy this half kilo. So you can see we have rainy weather again. And I'm going back home now. You can see the weather again. No sun. Anytime it will be rain again. So this fish is price is 10 lira per kilo. I'm gonna buy 2 kilo. So you can see the windy weather again, and it started to rain. You can see. In this time you can see the umbrellas are about to fly. So I wanna buy this, and here's my packet. So I'm gonna buy the milk, and also I'm gonna buy the sugar. So here's my things. Okay guys, so you can see it's windy weather, and almost it's raining, and you can see my coat is also wet. Maybe, I don't know, you can see or not, but it's raining and I have to go home as soon as possible. So I hope you guys love this video. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you so much guys. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Bye.